Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, there's corned beef, beautiful. Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, drained. This is rye bread, a little butter. And this is Thousand Island. You can use Russian dressing, but it's classic sandwich time. And this is a classic Reuben. This rye bread. It smells so rye. Smells so good. And it's all fresh ingredients. And it's a classic sandwich that I love a good Reuben. And I'm going to show you how to make one. Check it out. First thing we're going to do is take some butter and butter the outside like this. Okay, let's just get that butter on there because that's going to be a slow grill. This baby's ready. I'll meet you over at the stove. Okay, I'm going to put this side down here. And this is low. We're going to go really low on this because we want to melt that cheese. I'm going to put the Swiss right here. That's what we're looking to melt. Now I'm taking some of that dressing, put it right there. You can add more or less, depends how you like it. Here's the star to show the corned beef. I'm just going to layer that guy down like this. Oh yeah, you want it to be thick, but not too thick. Now I take a little more dressing, put it right there. Here comes that sauerkraut. Make sure you drain it because it's going to get all wet and messy if you don't. So far this baby is nice and thick. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Then to this, the other slice of cheese. Okay, with a little press. A little more of that Thousand Island or Russian, depending on which one you like. They're both so similar, it's ridiculous. And then the other buttered side right there. So, let's center this like that. And we're just going to keep peeking at this bottom. I'm going to give it at least 5-10 minutes. And I'll see you then. All right, this guy's ready for a flip. This is going to be key to making sure this thing doesn't fall apart. Flipper. Oh, I almost messed it up. Look at that. Golden brown, the cheese is melted. That was 5 minutes, by the way. So 5 more minutes. And this classic Reuben is ready. And when this cheese is melted on the bottom, I'll meet you over at the counter. All right, this has been toasted 5 minutes on each side. Let's do the slice of roux on this baby. Reveal. Oh, look at all that. That's gorgeous. Big close-up coming up. There is the classic Reuben, made with all those classic ingredients. Can't wait for a big bite. There's the classic Reuben, just like a New York deli. Well, it looks good, but this is the only way you can tell. It's all there. The Swiss, the corned beef is beautiful. The sauerkraut gives it a little tang. Oh. And rye bread, it's only good for a few things. This is one of them. Killer Diller Classic. For more recipes like this, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Let me know any other classics you want to see. I'd love to do it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I think it's going to be classic. Yeah, that's right. He said classic. Classic! Oops. I did something wrong. Classic. Sweet Babu.